Today we'll see solution of non-homogeneous PDE by direct integration. Okay, let us take one problem on that. Solve del square u by del x square equal to x plus y. Okay, so we are solving non-homogeneous PDE, okay, by direct integration. And now solution for this problem will be u. Okay, so we need to remove differential operators from this equation to get the final answer for u. Okay, and now we'll see the solution. So this del square u by del x square to be written as del by del x of del u by del x. Okay, RHS will be as it is. And now to remove this differential operator del by del x, we need to apply the process of anti-differentiation, that is integration. Okay, so to remove del by del x, we need to integrate the expression with respect to x. Okay, so after removing this differential operator in the LHS, it will be del u by del x. Okay, now if you come to RHS, we are integrating with respect to x, treating y as constant. So integration of x plus y into dx to be written plus integration constant to be written as the arbitrary function of y, as y is a constant here. Okay, so integration constant c1 to be written as function of y because y is a constant. And now we'll see the answer of the integration. Now integration with respect to x we are doing, so integration of x will be x square by 2, and here y is constant, so y we are taking outside as a constant, it is outside, and integration of 1 will be x. Okay, integration of 1 with respect to x will be x, and this integration constant as it is. Okay, so the answer for del u by del x is x square by 2 plus y into x plus f of y. So again in this expression we need to remove the differential operator del by del x by integration with respect to x. Okay, so now after applying integration in the RHS, 1 by 2 will be constant, integration of x square will be x cube divided by 3. Okay, so x cube divided by 3, when you simplify you will get x cube divided by 6. Okay, and now y into x is there, and here y will be constant, you are integrating with respect to x, so integration of x will be x square by 2. So the answer for the second term will be y as it is, integration of x is x square by 2, so total will be x square y divided by 2. And third term is f of y, arbitrary function of y, that is to be integrated with respect to x. So f of y is a constant, so you are writing it outside, integration of 1 into dx to be done, and the answer of integration of 1 dx is x. So the answer for third term will be f of y into x, and plus integration constant c2, so c2 to be written as the arbitrary function of y, as you are integrating with respect to x, treating y as constant, you are writing in the constant place function of y, so g of y to be written. So the final answer for u will be, solution for u will, the given differential equation, partial differential equation will be u is equal to x cube by 6 plus x square y whole divided by 2 plus x into f of y plus g of y. Second problem, solve del cube z by del x square into del y equal to cos of 2x plus 3y. And now three derivatives are there, you need to remove del by del x first. Okay, so to find out the solution for this PDE, we need to write z. Okay, for that we need to remove these differential operators, three differential operators. So you write del cube z by del x square into del y as del by del x of del by del x of del z by del y. So in the first step we will integrate with respect to x to remove this del by del x. So in the LHS, del by del x of del z by del y equal to, coming to RHS, integration with respect to x, so integration of cosine function will be sine, and the terms inside the bracket will be as it is, and you need to divide sine of 2x plus 3y by the coefficient of x. Okay, as you are integrating with respect to x, divided by coefficient of x to be written. So cos integration of cos of 2x plus 3y will be sin of 2x plus 3y whole divided by 2 plus integration constant. So with respect to y, so with respect to x, y will be constant, so f of y will be the constant here, integration constant. Okay, and now to remove this del by del x, one more time you need to integrate with respect to x. So LHS you will get del z by del y, so is equal to 1 by 2 as it is. Integration of sine function with respect to s will be, with respect to x will be cosine function with the minus sign. So the terms inside the bracket as it is, divided by coefficient of x in the denominator, plus f of y to be integrated with respect to x. Okay, so function of y will be constant, integration of 1 will be x, plus integration constant g of y to be written. And in the next line, to remove del by del y, you are integrating with respect to y. So in the left hand side you will get z equal to minus as it is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 will be 1 by 4, and integration of cosine function will be sine, and the terms inside the bracket as it is, divided by coefficient of y. Coefficient of y will be 3, so divided by 3 to be written, plus here x will be constant as you are integrating with respect to y. So integration of f of y with respect to y to be written as capital F of y. Okay, and the next function is integration of g of y. Again this is a function of y and you are integrating with respect to y, so that is to be written as capital G of y, plus integration constant for this step. So with respect to y, x is constant, so you are writing h of x as the constant, integration constant. Finally writing the solution for z after simplification. So z will be minus sine of 2x plus 3y divided by 4 3s are 12 plus x into f of y plus g of y plus h of x.